Tesla's next big date is April 22nd, 2025, when Q1 results and a company update land. While everyone's expecting numbers, the real spotlight is on the upcoming Model Q, Tesla's play for the affordable EV market. Today, we'll explore what Musk's roadmap suggests for specs, price, and release timing, and weigh whether you should hold out for the Model Q or snag a current Tesla deal now. If we are to believe what CEO Elon Musk has stated at least twice in the past 6 months, we are confident that a more affordable Tesla model will be launched soon. At this point, there seems to be no other plausible option, and the best candidate we can think of is the eagerly awaited Tesla Model Q. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that a more affordable model will be released in the first half of this year, and that time is fast approaching. During the fourth quarter 2024 earnings call, Tesla stated,
"We are still on track to launch a more affordable model in the first half of 2025 and will continue to expand our lineup from there."
This means that sometime within the next 2.5 months, we can expect this much-anticipated launch. Recently, the U.S. economy is currently grappling with heightened volatility, driven largely by trade actions taken by the Trump administration. The recent imposition of tariffs has triggered a market correction, with both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ experiencing significant declines. These developments have also dealt a major blow to consumer confidence. Amid these economic headwinds, consumer purchasing power is under considerable pressure. The introduction of an affordable electric vehicle like the Model Q could appeal to cost-conscious buyers seeking convenient transportation without a hefty price tag. So, after all the speculation and hype out there, can we expect that? What is the expected price and pre-order timeframe for the Tesla Model Q? The expected price and pre-order timeline for Tesla's Model Q are crucial factors for potential buyers. The starting price of the Model Q is projected to be around $25,000, making it the most affordable electric vehicle in Tesla's lineup to date. However, considering the rapid advancements in both economic conditions and manufacturing technologies, it is entirely plausible that Tesla could offer the Model Q for an even lower price point, potentially as low as $17,000 to $18,000. This is not just speculative. It's supported by ongoing improvements in the global production landscape, the scaling of new battery technologies, and evolving manufacturing efficiency. If these factors align, reaching a price point below $20,000 would not only be achievable, but would also make Tesla a far more competitive player in the affordable EV market. Let's consider how this could be achieved. First, the cost efficiency of battery technologies is already a cornerstone of Tesla's strategy. The lithium iron phosphate batteries Tesla is now using are cheaper to produce and have a longer lifespan than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Furthermore, Tesla's in-house 4,680 battery cells are another game-changer. These larger, more energy-efficient cells enable economies of scale that will only increase as Tesla continues ramping up production. With their 4680 cells, Tesla has already made substantial progress, producing over 10 million cells, and is aiming for billions annually in the near future. The ramp-up of these production capacities will drastically lower unit costs, and Tesla's ability to make these batteries in larger quantities will enable the company to pass on the savings to consumers. Moreover, global supply chains are increasingly optimized for EV production, which further reduces costs. In recent years, countries and corporations have made substantial investments in infrastructure that directly benefit electric vehicle production. For instance, Tesla's expansion into gigafactories in the US and Europe is designed to create synergies in parts manufacturing, battery assembly, and vehicle production, all under one roof. This not only streamlines the supply chain, but also reduces the per-unit cost of each car produced. This improved operational efficiency, along with lower labor and material costs in emerging markets, could bring down the overall cost of producing the Model Q. Let's now look at how competitors are contributing to this possibility. BYD, one of Tesla's primary competitors, already offers vehicles that are priced under $20,000. The BYD Dolphin, priced around $21,000, has been a massive success in China. Tesla could similarly leverage the efficiencies from its factories and technology to cut production costs by another $3,000 to $5,000 per vehicle, bringing the Model Q closer to the $17,000 or $18,000 mark. As more companies enter the market and production scales up, the cost of materials such as batteries and semiconductors, which currently account for a large portion of EV costs, will continue to fall. For example, battery prices prices have already dropped by nearly 90% over the last decade. In 2010, the cost of lithium-ion batteries was around $1,100 per kilowatt-hour. By 2023, that price had fallen to approximately $120 per kilowatt-hour. This dramatic reduction has enabled EV manufacturers to deliver more affordable vehicles. If this trend continues, as it likely will with further innovations in battery tech and mass production, a sub-$20,000 price tag is entirely within reach. As for the pre-order timeline, Tesla has not yet released specific dates, but typically, the company starts accepting pre-orders several months before the official launch. For instance, the Model 3, one of Tesla's most successful vehicles, began accepting pre-orders in 2016 and was launched in 2017. The Model Q could follow a similar timeline, with pre-orders potentially starting in late 2025 or early 2026, depending on production readiness. This timeline would strategically align with Tesla's plans to expand its gigafactories and localize production, possibly in regions like Mexico or Southeast Asia, where labor and production costs are more competitive. If Tesla delivers on its promises, the Model Q could dramatically reshape the EV landscape. According to Bloomberg NEF, by 2026, over 60% of global passenger vehicle sales could be electric or hybrid. The arrival of a under $25,000 Tesla would not only intensify competition, but could also accelerate EV adoption in markets like India, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, regions that have, until now, been priced out of Tesla ownership. 2. How will the official design of the Tesla Model Q be revealed? Let's start with the basics. The Tesla Model Q is a much-anticipated sub-$30,000 EV designed to compete with other affordable electric vehicles like the Chevrolet Equinox EV, Volkswagen ID.3, and BYD Dolphin. While Tesla hasn't officially confirmed the name Model Q, Deutsche Bank analysts and insiders have been using the term in recent investor reports. As of now, Tesla has not officially revealed the final design of the Model Q. However, credible sources suggest that the vehicle will be approximately 15% shorter and 30% lighter than the Model 3, measuring around 157 inches in length, similar to compact vehicles like the Toyota Yaris or Mini Cooper. This compact size and reduced weight are expected to significantly enhance efficiency, lower manufacturing costs, and make the vehicle particularly attractive for city dwellers. Interestingly, Tesla appears to have chosen practicality over innovation by utilizing its existing Model 3 and Y platform rather than the previously teased unboxed architecture, initially planned for a $25,000 EV. This decision simplifies manufacturing processes significantly, enabling production on established assembly lines at Tesla's factories, including Fremont, California, Boston, Texas, and possibly overseas facilities in Germany and China. Such a strategic choice accelerates the time to market and reduces the capital required to bring the Model Q into production. Regarding battery technology, Tesla is expected to equip the Model Q with lithium iron phosphate batteries, known for their cost-effectiveness and durability. The Model Q will likely come in two variants, such as the 53 kilowatt-hour LFP battery rear-wheel drive variant, offering an impressive estimated range of up to 310 miles or 500 kilometers, and 75 kilowatt-hour LFP battery all-wheel drive variant, range not officially confirmed yet, but expected to be slightly lower due to added weight and performance characteristics. The use of LFP batteries align perfectly with Tesla's goal of affordability without compromising reliability. These batteries, though less energy-dense than Tesla's premium nickel-cobalt aluminum cells, ensure excellent longevity and stability, critical for attracting a broad consumer base. In terms of Tesla's renowned charging infrastructure will undoubtedly be compatible with the Model Q. Anticipated supercharging times to reach 80% battery capacity are around 20 to 25 minutes using Tesla's V3 superchargers. For home users, charging with a Level 2 setup could deliver between 30 to 40 miles per hour, conveniently supporting everyday commuting needs. Despite its budget-friendly positioning, Tesla is unlikely to compromise on performance significantly. Estimates suggest that the base Model Q rear-wheel drive variant might achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in about 6 to 7 seconds. The higher-end all-wheel drive variant could push this figure below 5 seconds, potentially making it among the quickest in its class. Given Tesla's reputation for surprises, a sub-5-second performance would not be unexpected. However, to preserve battery efficiency, top speeds are likely to be capped around 120 to 130 miles per hour. How likely are AI and full self-driving FSD features to be integrated into the Tesla Model Q? Tesla's future vehicles, including the upcoming Model Q, will likely reflect a shift toward advanced autonomous features, aligning closely with Elon Musk's vision for a self-driving future. Tesla's commitment to autonomous driving technology and AI integration signals that the Model Q will likely feature full self-driving capabilities, and it could very well be the first vehicle designed specifically for full FSD use, supporting Elon Musk's recent robo-taxi ambitions. This new model is expected to strip down certain elements, including features seen in the upcoming rear-wheel drive Cybertruck and a more compact design. The Model Q will also be designed with autonomy in mind from the outset, following in the footsteps of the newly refreshed Juniper Model Y, which is optimized for full self-driving capabilities. Tesla has been at the forefront of autonomous driving, and their ongoing development of FSD is a key selling point for their vehicles. So, the expectation of FSD being a central feature of the Model Q isn't just speculative. It's a natural evolution of the company's ongoing commitment to autonomous driving. Tesla's full self-driving system has been continuously refined since its initial rollout, and it is now one of the most sophisticated autonomous driving technologies in the world. Tesla has already amassed a vast amount of real-world driving data, over 50 million miles of data from vehicles on the road. This data is crucial for training Tesla's AI algorithms, allowing the cars to make informed decisions in real time, improving safety, and constantly refining the FSD technology. The significance of this data is monumental, as it enables the AI to learn and adapt in ways traditional systems cannot. To give you an example of the progress Tesla has made in this space, the FSD unsupervised system has already been implemented in the company's production facilities in California and Texas, where it has driven over 50,000 miles autonomously between these two locations. This achievement alone highlights Tesla's capability to safely deploy autonomous driving technologies on public roads, a significant milestone. With continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, this technology is expected to become even more reliable and efficient. The Model Q, being positioned as Tesla's most affordable vehicle, will likely leverage these FSD advancements, as Tesla has demonstrated time and again its ability to scale complex technologies down to more affordable price points. When we look at the broader context, it's clear that autonomous driving technology is becoming more mainstream. Companies like Waymo and Cruise, both backed by major players in the tech industry, are also heavily investing in autonomous systems, though they still face substantial hurdles in achieving true Level 5 autonomy. In comparison, Tesla's FSD technology has already demonstrated an ability to handle complex urban environments, highway driving, and even navigating through intersections, tasks that are typically challenging for most autonomous systems. For someone familiar with the industry, you would know that the journey from Level 2, driver assistance, to Level 4, and even Level 5 autonomy is a complex one. However, based on Tesla's trajectory and the progress seen in FSD updates, the Model Q could very well feature Level 4 autonomy, which means the car would be capable of driving itself without human intervention in most conditions, but with the possibility of requiring driver engagement in more complex scenarios. The key difference between Level 4 and Level 5 is that Level 4 is limited to specific geographic areas or certain conditions, while Level 5 allows full autonomy in all conditions. Moreover, we're seeing a surge in demand for autonomous vehicles, especially as people become more comfortable with the technology. According to a 2022 report by the International Transport Forum, more than 40% of Americans expressed interest in buying a fully autonomous vehicle once they are available. As for Tesla's FSD pricing, it currently costs an additional $10,000 on Tesla vehicles, though that price will likely evolve as the technology becomes more widespread and the cost of development decreases. 4. What is the expected impact of the Tesla Model Q on Tesla's financial outlook? The anticipated impact of the Tesla Model Q on the company's stock and financial outlook is a topic of considerable interest for investors and industry analysts. As of early 2023, Tesla's target price consensus among analysts is $342 per share, a significant increase from $192 1 year earlier. Tesla's ability to produce affordable electric vehicles, along with its advancements in autonomous driving, is seen as crucial to the company's long-term success. In particular, the Model Q's anticipated price tag of around $25,000 positions it to be Tesla's most affordable offering, expanding the company's appeal to a larger demographic of consumers. In addition, Tesla's growth potential in international markets should not be overlooked. The Model Q could have a particularly strong impact in emerging markets, where EV adoption is rapidly increasing, driven by government incentives and a shift toward greener alternatives. Tesla's gigafactories in Germany and Texas position the company well to meet growing demand in Europe and North America, further fueling the potential success of the Model Q. An under $20K Tesla could shake up the industry, but only if Tesla can deliver amid global headwinds. Do you think the Model Q will hit that sweet spot? Drop your predictions below. If this video sparked your interest, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit subscribe. Then turn on notifications so you're first in line for our next update. Thanks for watching.